Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Capricorn, we are picking few cards, guys, and I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle guidance. So that'll be our general guidance, and that may answer some questions you have in your mind, guys. So this is the card, guys, for your Capricorn. So let's start with these cards for your general reading. So we have ring, snake, and mountains. So Capricorn, in your situation, guys, maybe in your career or in your personal life, you are facing lot of obstacles and you need to overcome lot of hurdles in your life. Things are not going as expected, and maybe there is someone who is quite acting as your friend, posing as your family member, and they do not have that truthful intentions towards you. So you need to be really careful, guys, with this person. So they are here just to benefit themselves, but they don't have that true love towards you or true concern towards you. So you need to be really attentive, vigilant, guys. If you know who it is, or if you have a vague idea who it will be, you need to stay away from this person, guys, Capricorn. And I also see that you are moving towards a greater commitment. Maybe you are uh, changing the way you are. Maybe you are committed to uh, effectiveness, maybe working effectively, dealing your situation effectively. You are working hard, putting in lot of efforts with great concentration. So you are trying to be more responsible, committed to your work, the same way in your relationship also. So you are moving towards the next step in this relationship. Maybe you are moving towards engagement or marriage, or for some of you it may be some work related responsibility, guys. You are taking up a new responsibility, maybe a new project or a new financial deal, whatever work you do, something that requires your talents, your use of your talents and skills. You are progressing towards that. You are making a positive step towards that, guys, Capricorn. So you are maybe you are seeing some difficulties, but whatever it is, you have that strength, determination, and confidence to see success in your situation, guys. So let's see what is the card for your oracle guidance. Yin. So this card just means that sometimes we need to be on the receiving end, guys. Not always we can make the decision for everything. So sometimes we have to just wait for that person to make the first move. So even it may be in our relationship or it may be in our career situation, guys. You have to wait for that person to approach you first. Maybe that way things will be better. You will know what is there in their heart when they are making the first move. Maybe they like you, that is the reason they are coming towards you. If they do not like you, they will not come towards you. So if you can wait for them to come towards you, you are helping yourself, guys. And this may not be the time for you to go forward and propose to someone. So you need to wait. The same way in your career situation also, guys, Capricorn. Maybe it is time for you to listen to other people's ideas, suggestions in your work. So that is going to help you in a great way, and things will begin to go very smoothly in your situation, guys. So that is the reading for you all, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.